The success of the Playhouse depends upon families knowing that this is a clean, safe environment. A healthy visit to the Playhouse begins with washing hands for both kids and volunteers. We ask that you do not come to the Playhouse if you have had a fever or diarrhea or vomiting in the last 24 hours. Please call if you will not be able to make your shift for this reason. We take sanitizing seriously here at the Playhouse to ensure our families and staff stay healthy. In each play area, you will find a white-mouthed toy bucket. We ask parents to place any toys that a child put into their mouth in these buckets. We check these buckets several times a day and bring the mouthed items to the kitchen to be sanitized. We know that parents can't catch every time a toy is mouthed, so we sanitize all loose items on a rotating schedule posted in the kitchen. You will also be asked to sanitize places that little hands often touch, such as doorknobs, table edges, and more. We use 3 sanitizing methods depending on the type of item. If an object is plastic with no electronic parts, we place it in the white bin in the sink. You then spray it with a diluted bleach solution found in the blue spray bottle and let toys sit for about 2 minutes. You can then rinse them and place them in the drying rack. Once dried, all items from the drying rack can be placed back in their appropriate locations. If an object is wooden or has many crevices, such as Duplo blocks, we wipe it with our sanitizing wipes and place it back in its location. If an item is plush or cloth, it can be washed with the hand towels.